Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about common mistakes first-time pumping mothers make and how avoiding these small mistakes can make pumping much easier and more comfortable. One common mistake is starting with very high suction. Many mothers think stronger suction will give faster results, but this can make pumping uncomfortable. Starting slowly and using a comfortable setting usually works better. Another mistake is skipping pumping sessions too often. Long gaps between sessions can make it harder for the body to stay consistent. A simple routine usually helps more than irregular pumping. Some mothers also forget to relax before pumping. Stress and rushing can affect the overall experience. Taking a few quiet moments before starting can help your body respond more naturally. Using the wrong pump position is another common issue. If the pump does not fit comfortably, the session may feel difficult or less effective. Cleaning is also very important. Not washing pump parts properly after each use can affect hygiene and daily routine management. Many beginners also compare themselves with others too quickly. Every mother's body is different, and results may vary from person to person. The most important thing is staying patient and building a routine that feels comfortable for you. With practice, consistency, and the right habits, pumping becomes much easier and more manageable over time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.